Nigerian equities market returned to the negative territory today after a positive knee-jerk session yesterday. Joining me to paint a picture of the trends in the markets today is Muktar Mohammed, he's an analyst at Assar Investment. Muktar, I'd like to get a sense from you of what we're seeing investors play out today. We saw that 0.78% gain in the market yesterday, and we're seeing today the market has gone full swing back to its old ways, down to about 1.4% today.
Kenneth, you said it's old ways. We must realize that this market has been doing well for some time now. For some time now, we've seen this slide, and we're not expecting it to change anytime soon. Like I said, it's all about portfolio investors trying to, reshuffle their portfolio, looking for other better entry point and exit point, and we'll continue to see that play out. If you watch today, yesterday there was a lot of volume. The two stock investors at the moment, and if you look at the indices, what dragged down the index, excuse me, what dragged down the index actually is the industrial goods sector, one sector that have been doing well until did very well yesterday, but today dragged down the index with price dropping from Boa Cement and then Dangote Cement.
Yeah, because I was looking at that, and I'm looking at the very significant losses in those two companies. Boa Cement down about 5 naira 70 kobo today. Dangote Cement down about 8 naira today. Looking at the future for this segment, though, how are investors looking at the cement stocks going forward?
Well, when you look at the dip in infrastructure we have in Nigeria, you say, well, that's one sector investors who really want to key in because of a lot of projects that are going on, especially infrastructural projects. But then again, when you look at the price that this equity have moved from up till now, you realize that investors are waiting for something to trigger another movement in those equity. Because remember, Boa Cement moved from as low as 48 naira to about 81 naira before it stayed there. It's been a while there. That's been in 79 naira before that losses today. Dangote also moved from 150 to about 200 and something. So you expect these things to happen. I think it's profit taking. Like I said, investors that have made so much in Boa Cement and Dangote Cement are beginning to look at other areas to get mostly to get dividend income, and I think that's what is playing out at the moment.
Yeah, definitely quite a lot there. But very quickly, we're expecting the full year numbers for some of the players in this space. What's your outlook for the numbers coming?
I think my outlook is positive, especially in the banking stock. I think it's going to be very positive. I expect the banking, the financial stock to be positive. I'm not looking at the industrial, the consumer goods space. Also, I expect a little bit of possibility in those results. In the fourth year, the fourth quarter when the economy was open. But basically, I think investors should look at the financial sector. That seems to be what would drive the indices up, especially if we have those dividends that we normally expect from GTB, Zenith Bank, and possibly UB and Access Bank, and also maybe First Bank and even the Tier 2 bank. So for me, I think investors should not take their eyes off the financial stock. This seems to be one of those stocks that will definitely help the index group in the coming weeks.